HotRods. Okay, so customs. I don't know too much. This tail dragger was one I had done. And here again, I don't know whether it's been edited out or that portion of the video that I scrapped that I discussed these wheels. And these wheels came from the animated car series, the animated movie Cars. That's where I got some of these, and on several of my cars, you'll actually will see these. I'm going to bring up one more car here in a second, just to show you, and it's another. Okay, actually, here we'll just bring her in here now. This is a 40 Ford, and you can see the same wheels. Very different look. Very kind of classical looking redone Ford, restored Ford. And the tail dragger, of course, the original design of the tail dragger really lent itself to being this, what it is. This came out quite nice. And my big thing, as I had said before, in either the Axed videos or whatnot, my big thing is the body work itself, really getting rid of the lines and stuff. And I know some of the purists out there really go, well, it's part of it. But my philosophy on that is a little different, which I will discuss at a later date. Because this video is starting to get a little bit long now. But what else we got for rods? I think we might as well bring in these puppies here. So, and this was my gasser, rendition of a gasser, an engine that I had built. I had actually built the engine, got rid of the original gasser, little tiny engine. I wanted something a little bit bigger in the design, you have something that really looks badass and mean, and it's got an awful lot of horses up the rear end. But that little tiny engine that came with these things just doesn't do it. So the other thing I'm doing is scratch building blowers, because a lot of the blowers that come with these cars and Mattel's renditions of them are not that great. I do have ways of molding and reproducing, so I'm maybe going to go that route. So this is my gasser, and I was asked to do several of these for people, but never really did get around to doing it. Yeah, I guess we'll do this one here. Dodger Corner line. This video is really seriously running over, but so what we got here. So this is one of the red. It originally was a red corner line. I bought, I don't know, half dozen to 10 of these for the wheels when I had first gotten into doing the customizing. And this one here I had done for a person I know on Instagram, and just never got around to getting his address to ship out the half dozen cars that I've made for him. And I had done. So I still need to do this. And Pete, or Tom, someday I will get this to you. I like this because this was a candy apple purple. And then the idea to put the white roof on it just to accent the wheels, because I'd already made the choice of the wheels. So there's that. And we have a little flat blacked out shop truck. Now one of the things that I need to, and I will develop over in time, is the development of the decals and printing, getting a hold of people that know more about it than I do. I think that's it for the rods. Do have a couple more rods here, but that's another segment, and we'll look after that in a bit. So we've gone considerably over, and I don't know whether this one got knocked out. You know what? I think we'll maybe just cover this up here now. This is more of the muscle segment. Anyway, thanks for coming, and I'm working on trying to get this all straight. So just be patient and things will come along in time. Thanks for tuning in, and again, I've still got a lot to show you guys and a lot to teach. So thanks for coming.